Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm sharing with you 2 interesting and delicious breakfast recipes for babies over 1 along with some interesting tips. So stay with me. So well, it's a casual day, and as I was already making it, I thought why don't I share with you my most favorite and dependable veg upma recipe. Giving upma to our babies is like a very quick, easy go-to meal option, but balancing it with some veggies makes it even better. Do you fancy a little story while we cook this? Okay, so my son was a very fussy eater at 1, okay? He wouldn't eat much. I tried many things, but he was always very fussy. So that is when my MIL, she kind of suggested I try making upma for him because, it's a very simple and easy to digest dish. And I tried it, even though I had practically never had it in my life, and I gave it a shot, okay? And he kind of liked it. It clicked, alhamdulillah, and ever since, I'm telling you, this has become a staple in both my children's diet. But do you know what's the interesting bit? It's even been my travel companion ever since. For both my kids, it's so easy to make, so nutritious. Plus, I didn't even have to rely on packaged food on flights. Especially, till my son developed an appetite for airplane food. I'm telling you, this is a very dependable travel food on the go. Just a mommy tip. There, perfect consistency. This is what I aim for. You might go a little thinner if your baby is younger than 1. If you're making this for a baby who's younger than 1 year old, then you want to cook the vegetables more till they become softer. And also don't add a lot of salt, in fact minus the salt altogether. A gentle reminder, do give this video a like if you found this tip helpful. Also do comment if you have interesting food tips for new mommies. My second recipe is KHEER. Usual, is it? Aha! I have a special ingredient added in there that makes it even more nutritious for your little one. Just wait for it. Yes, it's the nut powder. Adding nut powder makes it even more healthy and nutritious. Win-win, I'd say. So semolina is not a whole food in itself, so we should always try to top it with nutrient-rich ingredients, okay? Like veggies, nut powder, jaggery. You know, I've even tried adding scrambled egg and minced meat to the upma to make it more complete for my baby. Yeah, when it comes to getting creative with food, sky is the limit. And that's a wrap. I really hope this helps. Do hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Also share away and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again, I hope you stay safe. Bye!